In this video, we are going to be downloading 7-zip. Awesome open source program. Been using it for quite a number of years through quite a different number of operating systems. It pretty much opens any compressed file that you would normally run into. So we're just going to search for 7-zip download. So we're going to win10 or 7zip.org, and we're going to download it. And we're downloading an exe file for 64-bit Windows because you're not going to have a way to unzip it yourself, because this is the way this is what you're going to use to unzip things. So we're going to open this up, go to downloads, so 7zip 2107-64. We're going to right click and run. Yes, I want to do that. That's where it'll put it. There's no need to change that. And it's done, so we're going to close it. So that's about it for downloading it and installing it. In here, you see 7-zip. It's a file manager and help. But it comes up when you double click on a zip file or any other supported file, so we'll just let it do its thing when we need it.